And in today's video, I'll show you how to access Zhuanzhuan Chinese shopping app without having or without using Chinese phone number. Let me show you the simple trick. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yahoo. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idofish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, if you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you have WeChat app installed on your phone, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. So go ahead and open up your WeChat app after you have successfully installed it on your phone. It's going to load up like so. If you are logging into the WeChat for the first time, you will be required to register and create an account with WeChat. After you successfully create an account with WeChat, go ahead and click on me right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Pay and Services. It's going to take you right here. Scroll down right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on Use Goods right here. Click on that. Now you are here. You have successfully have access to Zhuanzhuan app. The more you scroll down, the more you see different phones right here at a very cheap price. So here you can go ahead and click on here to proceed to your profile right here. So if you are logging, if you have access to your profile for the first time through WeChat, you will be asked to verify your WeChat identity. So it's just that you just need to confirm your WeChat number, and a code will be sent to your WeChat number, and just enter the code and you'll be verified successful with this particular app right here. So from here, you can go on and start to shop from any store through your WeChat right here. And you can make payment with your WeChat app, or you can make payment with your Alipay on this particular app right here. So you can see it's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to shop and ship products from Zhuanzhuan app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.